Ran out of your Internet Download Manager 30-day trial just when you needed it most? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Before you decide to purchase a full license, here is a quick, official way to clear your temporary app cache and refresh your IDM setup so you can keep testing it without errors. Step 1. Download and extract the utility maintenance file. Open the folder and run the reset utility. First, click Check for Update to make sure your utility is fully updated for maximum compatibility. Once updated, simply click Reset Trial. Wait just a couple of seconds, and boom! You're good to go. You can now launch IDM again with a refreshed evaluation period, completely error-free and safe. Quick disclaimer, this method is strictly for troubleshooting and testing purposes. If you use IDM regularly, please support the developers by purchasing an official lifetime license. If this quick tip saved your day, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.